If you are a music lover and like to listen up some music in your sleep at night, then there we have Zook Rocker Prism, which come with a night lamp with a good quality of bass. So we can unbox and review the product. Before starting, if you don't know, this is Rajesh here and you are watching Smart Reviews. So let's get started. Guys, there we have our product, which is called Zook Rocker Prism, and it's a Bluetooth speaker but have some interesting thing on it. It gives you 3 hours of uses with a single charge, as it has 600 mAh of power inside it. So guys, this is a normal portable Bluetooth speaker which you get around 899 rupees, but if there is some offer that I managed to get it for 599 rupees, that's good for it. I'm giving you the best buy link in the description, so let's check it out in the description below and get it for yourself if you like that product. So let's see. There we have our product, which is called as Zook Prism, and as you see, it looks good, and the packaging is also good for 599 rupees. As you see, on the back there is some specification mentioned here. Bluetooth version 3.0, 5-watt speaker, and you can insert micro SD card slot is there. So it is a portable Bluetooth speaker which is also can be used as a night lamp. So it has inbuilt light inside it that the LED goes turn into 7 colors, so what it calls as prism. So let's see what the company gives us. So let's unbox the thing. So guys, let's start. So guys, there we have the whole box that contains a Bluetooth speaker, which it looks good as it is very small and handy, and the company also provide a micro USB 2 to charge it, and you can use it and charge it if you have the charger. So let's back to the speaker. So as you the speaker is too small in size. On the back side you can see it written over here, Bluetooth speaker. There we have the reset button, or mic, sorry, this is a mic for answering the calls. There we have play pause button and volume up and down with change the soundtrack, and there we have power on off switch, and on that side you get the micro SD card. So as you see, it looks very good as it's so small in size, and let's power on it.
Your Zoom Rocker is ready to pair.
So as you see, it looks amazing in low light, so it can be used as a night lamp also. So it changes its lights. As you see, it changes its colors to 7 colors. That's why it called the Zook Prism. So you can see it very good, and if you want to stay on a single color, then press that switch and it's gonna off. Then if you press, so it's gonna stay at that color. If you wanna change, then press 1. So as you see guys, it looks amazing. So that's not the reason I get it. So let's check the sound quality of the speaker, because we purchased it for play some music. So let's play some music and check the sound quality. Yes, they have my Oppo A37, and let's power it on and connect to.
Your Zook Rocker is ready to pair.
So let's check as it connected with Bluetooth. So as you see, searching now. There we get the Zook Rocker Prism. So let's connect it.
The wireless device has connected successfully.
So it connected now. So let's play some music, and as it has the colorful light, so we're gonna play it in dark. So as you see guys, the bass is too loud and it's good. I'm shocked how it performs because it's a tiny speaker and it performs well, and the bass is too good as you pay for, and the light also cool. If you wanna play in dark and go to sleep and listen to some music, then it's the right choice for you guys. If you asking me buy that Zook Rocker, then for my it's a huge S, because as you know the it looks very good and portable and too handy, small. You can carry it in your hand, and to pair up with your smartphone is also very simple, and it's good for the price you pay. It's very good, and you can also see there is a make to answering calls through that, and you can also put your card inside it and play some music without connecting to your device. And as the company also provide a hanging cable to carry that little thing, so it's cool because the company gives at a price of 599 rupees, and for 599 rupees if you pay for, you don't worry about. And as you see, it's too handy and can carry it with that string the company gives. So guys, that's pretty much of it. Like that video, then give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel and give me your suggestion what I can improve in further in future. So if you wanna buy, I'm giving you the best buy link in the description, so go there and purchase it for yourself. So thanks for watching, see you later.